Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
A story of consistency and patience. Welcome to this heart-touching English story, a tale about patience, consistency. In life, we often want quick results, fast success, instant fame, immediate growth, but real success takes time. Let me tell you a story, the story of Arjun and the bamboo tree. In a small peaceful village surrounded by green fields lived a young boy named Arjun. He was bright, curious, and full of dreams. Every morning he would look up at the distant hills and imagine a bigger world where he could become successful, respected, and make his parents proud. But there was one problem. Arjun wanted everything fast. He started reading books for a few days but gave up when he didn't become smart enough. He began exercising but stopped when he didn't see muscles in a week. He even tried learning to paint but quit after a month, saying, "Maybe I am just not talented." His grandfather, an old farmer, watched him quietly with a gentle smile. One morning, his grandfather called him to the backyard and handed him 5 small bamboo seeds. "Arjun," he said, "plant these seeds. Water them every day. Don't miss a single day." Arjun was confused. "Just 5 seeds? That's it?" he asked. His grandfather nodded. "Yes, but remember, patience and consistency will make them grow." So Arjun planted the seeds carefully, watered them daily, and waited. A week passed. Nothing happened. A month passed. Still nothing. Arjun started to get frustrated. "Grandpa, these seeds aren't growing. Maybe they are dead." His grandfather smiled. "Keep watering even when you don't see growth. Something has happened beneath the soil." Arjun wanted to quit, but his grandfather's calm faith made him continue. 3 months went by, still nothing above the ground. Arjun looked at his neighbor's garden, full of fast growing flowers. He thought, "Maybe I chose the wrong seeds." But every morning he kept watering, sometimes with doubt, sometimes with hope. 5 years later, yes, 5 years, the bamboo finally broke through the ground. Within just 6 weeks, it shot up more than 80 feet high, taller than any tree in the village. Arjun couldn't believe his eyes. He ran to his grandfather, shouting, "Grandpa, the bamboo is growing so fast. How did this happen?" His grandfather laughed softly and said, "It didn't grow overnight, Arjun. For 5 years, it was growing roots deep beneath the soil, preparing to stand tall and strong. If it had tried to grow before its roots were ready, it would have fallen with the first storm." Tears filled Arjun's eyes. He finally understood success, strength, and growth don't happen overnight. They grow slowly deep inside you every time you stay consistent, even when no one sees your effort. He looked at the tall bamboo swaying in the wind and whispered, "I will be like you. I will keep growing even when no one can see it." From that day, Arjun never looked for shortcuts again. He studied daily, practiced his skills, and stayed disciplined. The story of the bamboo tree teaches us something powerful. Real growth is invisible at first. Your hard work, your consistency, your patience, they are like roots. They build your foundation. So, if you are trying hard and seeing no results, don't give up. Keep watering your dream because one day it will rise higher than you ever imagined. Success takes time. Be consistent, be patient. Your growth is happening even when you can't see it.
Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.